Science Lab. Today we will be experimenting with how Newton's first three laws affect the movement of the wheelchair.
We start off today with Newton's first law. This law states how an object in motion will stay in motion until a force is acted upon it. An object at rest will stay in rest until a force has acted upon it.
To get the wheelchair moving, you have to overcome inertia. Inertia is when an object remains unchanged or still at rest. There are also three types of friction that act on the wheelchair. They are rolling, static, and fluid.
Rolling friction is where the wheelchair pushes down on the ground and the ground pushes back, causing the wheels to rotate. Another friction that acts on the wheelchair in this experiment is static friction.
Static friction is the frictional forces from the interlocking of the irregularities of two surfaces that will increase to prevent any relative motion up until some limit where motion occurs. Fluid friction is when there is air and water resistance against an object.
Next we will be demonstrating Newton's second law, which states that mass and force will affect acceleration. For example, if Maddie pushes Jessica in the wheelchair with a constant force, there will be constant acceleration. But if Maddie doesn't push as hard and Jessica is holding a binder, they won't accelerate as quickly.
Newton's third law. Newton's third law says that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. When you put force on a wall, the wall will push back with an equal amount of force, but in an opposite reaction.
When Jamie pushes Maddie's into the lockers apply the same amount of force that Maddie's wheelchair applied to the locker.